Hello, I'm Beren Kayali. I'm one of the co-founders of Deploy Tech. So we are making the first ever foldable, inflatable, flat-packed concrete storage unit for storing water. And it is coming from the idea that especially for rural sectors, it's really hard to ship, or it's really hard to deploy or put an infrastructure even to carry and all those kind of materials oversight. So keeping that in mind, we decided to come up with this solution to solve actually a logistics problem together with a sustainability problem. It came from our master's program. Actually, me and my co-founder, we are two engineers, and we went to do a project in Kenya in a rural site about waste management, and we saw the way people were living. And it really came from this idea that we wanted to create an impact in the world, and this was a big plan part of it. We have done all of our prototyping, and right now actually we are implementing our own manufacturing line, and I'm really happy and proud to say that even our raw material for our tanks are manufactured in Wales. And we are doing everything from scratch in Wales as well. So right now we are just setting up the manufacturing line, coming up with process sheets, and arranging a couple of different suppliers for the accessories. Yeah.